A lot of people don't start a business because they have limiting beliefs. And limiting beliefs are just that, limiting beliefs. They're not based on anything tangible. In one of my previous courses, in one of the modules about selling, especially like taking sales calls, I made this whole module about how to overcome your fear of selling. Because I know that for a lot of people, they're scared of like hopping on a sales call and just talking to someone and pitching something. That's very scary when you've never done it before. I used to be so scared of it. For my first sales call ever, the guy didn't even show up, but I was waiting for him to show up on the Zoom call, and I was fucking shaking. Like seriously, I was like this. I was shaking so fucking much, and my heart was beating so fast. It felt like I was genuinely about to have a heart attack. None of that happened, obviously, I was fine, but that's how my body was reacting. Because that's how conditioned we are to think selling is bad, and we're so bad for wanting to make more money, when why the fuck do you go to your job? Is it because you like the view from the office? No. Is it because you love your boss? No. It's because you need money. So everybody who thinks making more money is bad is a fucking hypocrite. Because you need money. You go to your job for the money, not for anything else. But most people prefer to stay safe in that belief, that limiting belief, that starting a business has to be hard, or it has to take a long time to see results, or it has to be complex. None of these things are true if you know what you're doing. Again, if you don't know what you're doing, which you probably don't, otherwise you would already be making money. When you're done watching this, click the link in the description below, get the 7-day free trial to my community/program. I'm going to show you exactly how you can sell digital products from scratch today, without a big budget and without an existing audience. If we do the math, let's say you want to make $10,000 a month. All you need is 10 clients at $1,000 each, or 4 clients at $3,000 each, which is actually more than 10K per month. It's 12 grand a month. Or if you sell something like a monthly recurring program, like a school community, you only need 100 people paying you $100 a month, and you make 10K per month. Now it might look like 100 people is a lot of people, but you could always sell higher tickets if your niche allows you to do that. Like if you teach people how to do gardening, you probably can't really sell that for like $5,000, except if you manage to only sell it to rich people somehow. So it depends on what you sell exactly, what people get out of it. If it's something about real estate, then you should probably charge a lot of money, 10K, 20K for that. But if you think 100 people is so much, there's billions of people on this planet. You too can get your piece of the pie. Anybody can make 2, 3, 4, 5K, even 10K per month doing the thing they love on the internet. Why? Because when you do something that you love, like people can sense that you love it. You just talk naturally, it flows out of you. You attract people who like your personality. Like the reason people are going to buy your products, it's not even because of the information. I know it sounds absolutely insane. It's just because they've spent time with you virtually and like they've just enjoyed you, like talking to you. Even though you're the only one talking technically when you make content. Like you don't even need a real product nowadays. It's fucking insane. You can just yap about anything and make money. That is what being an influencer is. It's just people like you, you become their friend, and you have leverage because so many people like you. You will never be broke ever again if you have that kind of influence. So remember this, making money online has nothing to do with how smart you are. And in fact, right now, you are probably too smart for your own good. And that's why you are not making as much money as you should and as much money as you could be making. Because you don't realize it, but you are holding yourself back for bullshit. Start, take action. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.